Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the expressions negative 2 bracket y minus 1 minus 2 bracket 2y plus 1 negative 2 bracket 2x plus y minus 4 bracket negative x plus y and negative 6y, they are what we call equivalent expressions. That means their value is equivalent to one another, meaning they are equal to one another. But they look so different. How can we verify if they are really equivalent? I remember that we can actually simplify the terms. So let's start with the red color. Negative 2 times bracket y minus 1 minus 2 times bracket 2y plus 1. And see if it does give us any hint. Okay? So this one will be equals to, let's see, negative 2 times positive y is negative 2y. Negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. This one we should see as negative 2, okay? Negative 2 times positive 2y. This will give me negative 4y. Negative 2 times positive 1, negative 2. And then we are going to simplify the terms, okay? So the like terms will be negative 2y and negative 4y. They will make, negative 6y. 2 minus 2 is actually equals to 0. And for 0, we are not required to write the 0 out. And yes, wow, this red color expression does equal to negative 6y. So they are equivalent. Let's try the green color expression now, where we have negative 2, 2x plus y, minus 4, negative x plus y. Let's see what will this give us, okay? Expand and simplify. Expand first. Negative 2 times positive 2x will give me negative 4x. Negative 2 times positive y, negative 2y. Again, we should see this as negative 4. So negative 4 times negative x, positive 4x. Negative 4 times positive y, negative 4y. And when I simplify them, the like terms, negative 4x and positive 4x, they will make, 0. And when I look at negative 2y and negative 4y, they will give me negative 6y. And yes, the green color expression and negative 6y are also equivalent, and therefore all three expressions are indeed equivalent. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Remember to subscribe.